Although the use of expert witnesses is more common in civil cases than in criminal cases, there seems to be enough demand for their services to have created a small industry. In the back of most legal periodicals, it is not uncommon to find advertisements from experts offering help on everything from forensic medicine to handwriting analysis.
According to Georgia law, just about anybody can be an expert witness. A heroin addict, for example, could testify in a possession case as an expert if the judge in that case felt his testimony might be helpful to the jury. But by and large, most expert witnesses are well-educated, articulate, and experienced, and their services do not come cheaply.
Most expert witnesses make about the same fee as attorneys, anywhere from $50 to $100 an hour. In a very technical case, one that is based in large part on scientific evidence, their testimony can be very valuable, but only if they can make a jury believe what they say.
I'd look for the credentials that he has, his candor, and his competence. Then I'd like to filter through a screen of someone who can make sense to a jury, who can talk, who can communicate. And generally speaking, experts who are consultants, who do a good bit of court work, are all articulate.
Tony Potter is an expert witness who has testified in more than 65 trials and has acted as a consultant in hundreds of cases which never came to trial. His specialty is security, especially shopping mall security. He is a former police chief and holds degrees in criminal justice and police science. He has been known to spend up to 6 weeks researching a case and currently has trials pending in Baltimore, Miami, Indianapolis, and Detroit. Even so, he does not do trial work full-time and bristles when you suggest that he may be a legal hired gun.
I am paid to render my expert advice or my expert opinion. That opinion doesn't change regardless of which side pays me. My professional reputation and my future as an expert witness is totally dependent on my reputation as being an impartial expert witness. If I ever had the reputation of being a hired gun, either for the prosecution or plaintiff or for the defense, I wouldn't be called much anymore.
Attorneys disagree on which expert witnesses have the most success convincing juries they know what they are talking about. Some say a down-home, folksy demeanor works best. Others say a slight Harvard touch can be impressive, especially if the witness's specialty is particularly scholarly. But no matter what the approach, expert witnesses are becoming a fact of life in the courtroom, and as trials become more complicated and settlements more expensive, their services will continue to be in demand. In downtown Atlanta, Bebe Emerman, Action News.